का समाधान, देश की हर ज्योतिषीय पद्धति के समावेश के साथ संपूर्ण आकर्षक और सबसे सटीक एस्ट्रोसेज बृहद कुंडली आज अभी लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में ही छिपे हैं जीवन के संकेत।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. So now that we have resumed our lives under Unlock 1.0, we need to be more careful of the situations which are prevalent outside. Why? Because the virus is still here amongst us and we have a very long battle to fight with this. On this note, I would like to tell you the topic with which I am here today. Now, amidst the chaos that is prevalent all over the country and the world, the planet Mars is making its transit in Pisces. Will it bring any good? Keep watching the video for the predictions according to your zodiac sign. So now, first and foremost, I will be talking about the timings of this particular transit and then shortly get going with the predictions. Mars is a very fiery and martial planet, and it will be transiting from Aquarius sign to the zodiac sign Pisces on the 18th of June at 8:12 p.m. in the evening. So the day would be Thursday and it will be positioned in this sign until 16th August. So the zodiac sign Pisces is determined by the water element and is governed by Jupiter, which is a friendly sign of Mars. Pisces resonates with intuition, emotions and compassion, and Mars is all about action, courage and willpower. This transit of the fire element into water is likely to produce steam of emotions. If controlled properly, it can take you to dizzying heights in all phases of your life. So the Mars's transition into Pisces is going to affect each and every zodiac sign in a very different manner. So what are those changes? I will get going with the predictions and start with Aries. So for Aries natives, Mars governs your first house of self and 8th house of transition and research, and it is going to take position in your 12th house, which is considered to be the house of losses, expenditures, unprecedented situations and also foreign travels. This transit is going to bring some unnecessary expenditures and you could find yourself amid some problematic situations. This is going to bring unwanted stress and anxiety, thus resulting in disturbances or scars in terms of health. As an Aries, you are independent and headstrong, but in this transit duration, you are going to find yourselves restricted or tied down by circumstances, which can result in frustration and restlessness. This can sometimes prompt you to quit the task in between without completing it. So, you are advised to stay patient and try to bide by the time. Following this, you will be able to get better results in this duration of time. However, if you are associated with or are working for some foreign organization, you are likely to get benefits during this transition of Mars. Personally, some temperamental differences and ego clashes can play spoil sport in relationships. So, you are advised to take things a little easy and have a transparent communication with your partner. It is also suggested to inculcate physical activities like walking, running, jogging, etc. in your daily routine. This way, you are going to channelize your energy in a productive manner, thus getting desirable results from this transit. As a remedy, you should recite the Hanuman Chalisa or offer prasad to Lord Hanuman on Tuesdays, and this will definitely ensure the inflow of some auspicious results. Next, we will talk about the zodiac sign Taurus. So Taurus natives are going to get recognition, appreciation and prizes that are waiting for you during this transition of Mars, which is going to be positioned in your 11th house of gains, success and profits. Professionally, you will be able to execute your plans proficiently, which will hold you in good state in front of the higher management. You will not shy away from putting in your efforts in order to realize your dreams and aspirations. But sometimes in this process, you can be a little harsh in terms of speech, which can hurt others unintentionally. As Mars governs your 7th house of spouse and relationships, this indicates that you are going to get benefits and gains from your spouse during this transit. However, the aspect of Mars on your 5th house of thoughts and intellect can sometimes make you aggressive and hasty in approach, thus resulting in some temperamental differences in your personal life. So, having a calm and composed mindset is the right approach to follow during this transit. As a remedy, you should donate white things on Fridays like flour, sugar, rice to the needy people. Next, we will be talking about the zodiac sign Gemini. So for Gemini, Mars will be in its directional strength in your 10th house of career and profession, which is a very strong position for this planet. You will have an approach of a warrior to be more determined and successful in all of your endeavors. Mars governs the 11th house of ambitions, desires, success and 6th house of competitions. This indicates that you are likely to channelize your efforts in the desired direction in this period. The natives who are working in professions like the army, police, etc. will get their due recognition and appreciation. Professionally, this is a very good time to make strategies regarding your future, as you will be in a better position to execute them. As 6th house is also related to jobs, this indicates that those natives who are looking for new jobs stand a very good chance to get their desirable jobs. Students preparing for competitive fields may have a very good chance to pass through the examinations. Mars, being a fiery planet, may sometimes give you the tendency to control results and situations, which can sometimes make you nervous and anxious in the process. This can further lead to aggression, thus having a negative effect both in your personal and professional life. It is suggested to take part in physical activities, which will help you in channelizing your energy in a productive direction. As a remedy, you should observe fasts on Tuesdays. Next, we will be talking about the zodiac sign Cancer. So Mars will be transiting through your 9th house of fortune, spirituality and higher education. Professionally, this transit is going to be very fruitful for those natives who are looking for a job change for a long time and were not getting any breakthroughs. This movement of Mars is likely to present you with many opportunities. The roadblocks or hurdles for the students pursuing higher studies are going to end, as Mars is a planet related to fertility and is the lord of the 5th house of progeny and children for Cancer natives. There is going to be auspicious news regarding your children. You will be happy and contented with your child's progress. As the 5th house is also related to love and romance, this transit is going to bring some new energy in your personal lives. If you are single and seeking love, there is going to be some pleasant news for you during this transit. If you are already in a relationship, there will be better harmony and understanding between you and your spouse. You will go an extra mile to please them, which will help the relationship in the long run. However, if you are planning on undertaking any kind of spiritual journeys during this transit, it will be better to avoid them in this duration, as Mars is fiery in nature and it will be positioned in your 9th house, which is considered the house of spiritual gurus, mentors or teachers. This indicates some difference of opinion or clashes with them. So, it is advised to keep a check on your reactions during this transit period. As a remedy, you should wear red coral in your right hand finger, which will continue the inflow of fortune and luck in your life. Next, we will be talking about Leo natives. So, Leo natives who are in the fields of research will find this transit very helpful, as Mars will be moving into their 8th sign of research, changes and transformation. There are going to be many fast changes for you that may not be pleasant, especially related to residents. The health of your mother can be fragile if your mother has a previous history of diseases like high blood pressure, headaches, etc. Professionally, you are likely to face unnecessary delays in executing your plans, as luck will not be on your side during this transit. The position of Mars in this house also denotes that you have to improve your eating habits. Otherwise, you are going to face problems regarding health, especially in your abdomen region. This is also likely to put an impact on your savings and income, thus in this process disrupting your peace of mind. As Mars is having a direct aspect on your house of speech and family, it is likely to make you harsh in terms of communication, because of which there are going to be some problems for you both personally and professionally. You are advised to not do anything which is in violation of the law, otherwise you could land yourself in trouble. The best part to deal with transit is to relax, lie low, and do not push for the things to get done. Rather, try to view things from the witness's perspective. Following this will help you a lot in terms of getting better results from this transit. Your intuition and insights will be strong during this transit. Paying heed to them is likely to bring in some desirable results. As a remedy, it is very auspicious for you to observe fast on Tuesdays. So we have now reached the sixth sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Virgo, and how this transit will impact the natives belonging to this sign. So this transit is going to bring mixed and interesting results for Virgo natives, as Mars, being their third and eighth lord, is transiting in their seventh house. This house has been assigned the responsibility of spouse and partnerships. It indicates that personally your aggressive and dominating behavior is going to bring some ups and downs in relationship. You are likely to be overcritical regarding your partner or spouse over trivial matters, which can bring some temperamental differences in love relations and other relationships as well. You are advised to exercise patience and be ready to accept your partner as they are. This way you are going to get some desirable results. Although this movement of Mars is going to bring many auspicious results for your siblings. Professionally for you, there are going to be many breakthroughs that are going to help you in terms of completion of the pending task. However, from an income point of view, things may not seem to be as favorable yet. Because of this, you can be anxious and nervous regarding the future, which may have a negative effect on your mental health. So, it is suggested to be positive in your outlook and focus more on the present, which will bring some desirable results. As a remedy, you should recite the Hanuman Chalisa. Next is Libra. So Mars is going to transit in the 6th house of competition and enemies for Libra natives. As Mars is the natural significator of this house, it is likely to bring auspicious results in your life. You will prevail over your enemies as your competitive energy is going to be very high during this transit. Professionally, you will be more action-oriented, which is likely to help you in completion of the pending task, which is likely to hold you in high stead among the higher management. However, it is suggested to stay away from any kind of altercations and rifts. You are going to recover fast from any kind of illness that has been bothering you for quite a while, as Mars is going to provide you with high resilient power. However, keeping a watch on your diet and eating habits is still of paramount importance. So try and stay away from spicy and junk food. Also, Mars is having a direct aspect on your first house of personality and self, which can sometimes give you the tendency to be a people pleaser. This can make you take decisions as per what others want from you and not what is right for you. This can sometimes act as a deterrent for your growth. For personal relations, your partner's health may remain a little fragile, which is going to be a cause of worry and concern for you. As a remedy, you should donate jaggery on Tuesdays. Next, we'll be talking about the zodiac sign Scorpio. So Mars, being the lord of the ascendant of Scorpio zodiac sign, is going to transit in your 5th house of intellect and ideas, and is most likely to bring some mixed results. Professionally, it will be a very good transit, as you will be full of ideas and you will get the right platform to implement them. However, due to the influence of this transit, you will be more focused on yourself and not be very forthcoming towards seeking any kind of advice from anyone, which is going to stop you from getting creative solutions to your problems. For students, the concentration will be excellent, which will help you grasp the subject more quickly, thus improving your results. Personally, you will be very protective about your loved one or your spouse, but at the same time can be a little possessive about them. You are going to demand a lot of attention from your partner, which can be a little frustrating for your partner, and he or she might feel suffocated at times. So, it is suggested to seek love from your partner, not attention. Mars, which is also sometimes considered as a cruel planet, is transiting in the 5th house of children. This can create some differences of opinion with them if you have any. So, it is suggested that respecting your children's opinion is the most profitable option right now. As a remedy, you should donate copper on Tuesdays. Next, we'll be talking about the zodiac sign Sagittarius. So, Mars will transit in the 4th house of inner self, comforts, and mother for Sagittarius natives. If you were thinking of buying or selling any property for a very long time and have not been able to get any success, then this is a very right time to go ahead with this. If you are in professions related to marketing or your source of income is on commission basis, then there are going to be many opportunities for you to grab. However, this transit of Mars can have a negative effect on the health of your mother, which can be a cause for worry or anxiety for you. This can also cause some distractions in the professional area of your life. As Mars is a dry planet and having a direct aspect on your 7th house of marriage, it can sometimes make you dry in terms of emotions, giving the impression to the partner that you are taking the relationship for granted. This could create some rifts or space in the personal relationships. Professionally, challenges in terms of authority can create differences in the business partnerships also, as Mars is also the ruling lord of children. So, trying to force them to do things against their wishes is going to make them rebellious. Rather, setting an example in front of them about how things can be done in a better manner will bring good results. As a remedy, you should worship Lord Kartikeya, and this will definitely bring some auspicious results. Next, we'll be talking about the zodiac sign Capricorn. So Mars will bestow you the courage, valor and willpower to conquer the obstacles that you come across, as it will transit in your 3rd house of self-efforts and courage. As Mars represents siblings, this transit is very auspicious to spend some quality time with your siblings and make amends with them. Mars, which also governs your house of gains and success and is positioned in your house of success and efforts. This will make you ambitious and give you the high capacity to lead your endeavors towards the desired location and success. You will become more adventurous and your risk-taking abilities will increase, indicating a very good time to initiate tasks that you have not been able to start for a very long time. However, it can make you overconfident and over-desirous and also make you take multiple risks at the same time, thus resulting in inconsistency and delays. This can also disrupt your peace of mind and concentration, as the 3rd house also represents skills. So if you are not into any kind of profession related to skills like sports, etc., you are likely to get many opportunities to showcase your potential. This transit will make you sensual and passionate in your love affairs, which can be a source of joy and happiness for your partner. Overall, a very auspicious transit for Capricorn natives and has a lot of things in store for you. Just be more prudent while making your decisions. As a remedy, you should keep reciting the Hanuman Chalisa. We have now reached the second last sign of the zodiac circle, which is Aquarius. So Mars rules the Upchaya house or the growth houses for Aquarius natives in the form of 3rd house of efforts and 10th house of profession and career, and is positioned in your 2nd house of accumulated wealth and family. This indicates that the more you grow in your skills, the more success will follow you in your workplace. Your main strength is your innovative approach, and this transit is likely to provide you with many opportunities to innovate and explore. So be ready to push the paddle, which is going to take you towards the road of success. As 2nd house is also related to communication, which indicates that sometimes you can be too harsh and straightforward in your speech. This can create problems for you in both personal and professional aspects of your life. So try to be cautious in your use of words and speech. As Mars is also having a direct aspect on your 5th house of love and relationships, this can sometimes make you inflexible in your thought process, thus creating some problems with your spouse or partner. As a remedy, you should donate jaggery on Tuesdays, and this will definitely bring some auspicious results. Last but not the least, I'll be talking about the Pisces zodiac sign and how this transit will affect the natives belonging to this house. So Mars is transiting in the house of self or personality for Pisces ascendants. This can make you easily annoyed or emotionally vulnerable. You are likely to get aggressive even at the pretext of some small issues. This could result in creating some rifts and differences in your family environment and personal relationships. However, you could be filled with a sense of guilt and regret in this transit, as aggression is not your innate nature, thus resulting in having negative effects on your health. Professionally, Mars as the Lord of Fortune is transiting in your 1st house. This is going to present you with many new opportunities to grow and excel in your field. Fortune is going to favor you in all your endeavors. This is also a good time to connect spiritually with yourself, which is going to help you in harnessing your intuition and compassion, which are your basic strengths. As a remedy, you should chant the Jupiter mantra, and this will definitely ensure the inflow of some positive results. So this was all you need to know about the Mars transit, which is taking place in Pisces, and how it will affect your life. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.